Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change border style in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now change this spreadsheet border style. Now click on this belong cell, top left right corner cell and select whole Google Spreadsheet. Now click on this border option and simply select all border option. And now select here in border color and see this. Adjust this border color. See this border color already showing. Now click here. Here we will find this border style option. You can add double underline border. See this. Also you can add dotted border. This one. And this one dash border. And see this. Also you can add 350 border. This is only solid border. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.